Here's the before video. As water is running, you will not see much on the vertical shaft. Here's some tree roots. Some more tree roots. Tree roots. Tree roots and crack. Tree roots. And here is down at the vertical shaft. That was just Daryl's hand because we've opened that side. That's the before.
Protecting themselves from UV light to load the drum with UV liner. Very important not to get sunlight on the liner before you shoot it, otherwise it can set the resin off. Landing on the PVC at the PVC 150 by 100 junction. Liner starts on the PVC and covers the PVC to earthenware plumb quick. Beautiful.
If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notifications bell to get notified when we post new videos.